And what is some of the most underrated classical skills that every quantum coder should know?
Mm. Yeah, so a very interesting question, especially in the current environment, because I think the coding, well, or the world of programmers, well, to some degree shifts and to some degree splits at the moment with all these vibe coding. So you don't need to necessarily know all the details and write all the code. But then there's others who say like you really cannot rely on the AI. Um, but yeah, I think, I mean, this aspect is certainly something that everyone should at least try and see how they use for themselves. I think there's two things that I would say, or three. The one is, well, um, I mean, yeah, classical skills is like just classical software engineering. How do you write maintainable code? At least from my experience in university and academia, I mean, I was myself, uh, I myself did it. It's like you have really the strong focus on your algorithm or your math things, and you start coding, and then you realize, oh no, I need to change something here and there, and it would require a bit more planning to and care and also time I admit, to write a maintainable code that you can share with others and that creates reproducible research. I mean, I think there's many people who are capable of doing that and who do that, but I think it's just to say that's really an important skill. And the other is also, I mean, yeah, coming to this with maybe some using some version control system and so on, but this might be a bit technical, and my very specific perspective on it right now is what we're building with Akora. The other is communication. I mean, quantum computing is highly inaccessible to my mother, and still I somehow need to explain her what I'm doing. And I think that's true on this level, but it's even between researchers who maybe have different backgrounds, the one from computer science, the other from physics, or just within your domain and within your very strong focus, you still need to be able to communicate to others what you're doing. And yeah, that's always important.